English.
Mariamman temple is a temple which I've only heard of. Amma is someone that the world talks about, and a lot of people, whenever you're in trouble, always tell you that if you go to Amma, she will definitely take care of your problems, and that's what I saw today. I was overwhelmed when I came here. Uh, there are certain places that I go to, and you get the feeling that someone is watching you and someone is going to take care of you, and I think that is what has happened here. An absolute overwhelming feeling, and you have to be here to believe it. The effort, the beauty that everybody has put together to create something that is absolutely magical, and that's the beauty of South Canada, and that's the beauty of this little place called Mangalore, blessed. So if you want to ever feel blessed, do visit us.